today's video, we will take out the steering airbag of 2019 Honda Accord. To start the takeout process, we will be needing an Allen screwdriver looking something like this. You can also try a Phillips screwdriver, but Allen screwdriver is recommended. On the left hand corner of steering, you would notice there is a hole. All we need to do is just punch in the screwdriver with a little push and you will see or notice the airbag popping out. Now we jump onto the right side and you would notice there is that same hole with the same screwdriver, and with a slight push you would notice the airbag popping out completely. Once the airbag is taken out, now we take out the plugs. There are two plugs on it. Slightly push both arms outwards and the plug will come out. The other plug is a standard version. You just need to push the right arm and it will come out as well. Bam, shazam, we ended up taking out the steering airbag for 2019 Honda Accord. If this video helps you in any way, you better give us a like and subscribe to How It's Fixed, and we will catch you in the next video.